Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. So for today's video, just looking at the G right now, we're gonna be fixing the exhaust on the G. So I was driving home from work and I noticed the exhaust sounds a little bit different, like it had a leak and it kept getting worse, the sound. So as soon as I got the G home, I took a look under the car just to see if there's any physical damage to the exhaust or anything that, you know, why it sounds like this. And I noticed that between the resonator and the Y pipe, the bolt was missing. So the bolt is completely missing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack the car up. I'll show you guys. And today we're gonna be installing my new carbon fiber honeycomb mesh grill. All right, eBay carbon fiber honeycomb mesh grill. We're gonna be installing that today. All right, gonna make the car look a lot better. I know I mentioned on a previous video that eventually I'm gonna change out this grill and get the nice carbon fiber grill. So that day is today, guys. So we're gonna get the nice grill, honeycomb lens to match with the honeycomb lens in there. She's gonna look good, but we gotta fix the exhaust first, okay? So I'm gonna see if I have the bolts. See if I have the bolts here. I'm able to do something and fix this thing. If not, we're gonna have to run to Canadian Tire. See that? Bolts are completely out. Walk around. Yeah, so we're gonna fix that, and then after we're gonna install the grill. All right, so I'm gonna shut this thing off, and then I'm gonna take the Civic. Let's see. Hey guys, let's just run to Canadian Tire. Looking hot. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Just gonna go grab, it's a G right there. Just gonna go grab the jack, and we're gonna jack this thing up and try and get that bolt in. Take this mat. I'll just grab the jack. Oh. Okay, again, 14 mil right there. Washers, nuts. Here guys, just gotta, oh, so it's only one bolt that's missing. Fuck. All the fucking damage already, man. Look at my Motordyne exhaust. Okay guys, so I can get some tools, get under here and fix this shit. What's up, T? Yeah, the freaking bolt and the that's holding the exhaust and the resonator just freaking popped out or some shit.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
See you, man. Alright, let's do it. She would start. Yes. That sounds a lot better, guys. Fix. We just gotta take this grill out and swap it out, and we're good to go. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, guys. It's the packaging. It's a grill. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, guys. First time I'm actually seeing this thing in some proper light, so let's see. Woohoo! Looky here, guys. Look at this thing. So clean. Look at here, guys. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good, right? So we're just gonna install this thing. Different ways you can probably do this. Probably just remove the whole bumper, and then it'll be easier for you to just, you know, pop the grill out, put it back in. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna pop this piece here out and then try and get access to the grill and see what bolts or clips we gotta remove. Okay, guys, yeah, it is a 10 mil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all these bolts here. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5. Yeah, 5, 6. Okay, so there's a little bit of pain just taking this off and then just trying to get access to the grill like that, because I have all these wires tie wrapped on here for my light, so I don't want to really fuck with that right now. So I'm just gonna take off the bumper, like just have it kind of hanging on like this, and then I'm gonna try and change out the grill. So let's see what we gotta do to get this thing out. So it looks like we got a couple of bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, bolt there, nut there, and then a couple clips that we gotta like pop out. So these clips, you just gotta push them this way, push that way. Oh, that's the emblem just popped out right there. Okay, we're not gonna be needing this. Take that out. Okay, so let's let me get my socket. I'll take these out, and let's see how we're gonna get the new grill in. See how we're gonna get this in, because look at them side by side here, beside each other. So this one got, the OEM one got some bolts here. This thing ain't got no fucking bolts, man. No bolts. Gonna have to do some custom shit in here. So this thing is broken down. See if we can make this thing work without even drilling anything. Let's see. See what happens. Okay, so see, this one doesn't have any screw holes or anything, any bolts. And when we put this here, show you guys how it fits. See? So the bottom sits really nice, but the top here, there's like a big gap. So I try to put it like this, try and up a little bit to kind of fill in that gap. So yeah, the fitment's decent. It's okay. Just gonna play around with it a little bit more, but yeah, anyway, so we're gonna use a little tape there, try and hold it in place, and then we're gonna put a little maybe a couple screws in there just to hold it on. Nothing crazy, man, just a grill, right? Okay guys, so grill's looking real good right now, real good. So I just put the double-sided tape, some of this stuff. I believe I got this with my carbon fiber spoiler. Actually, I can't remember if it's the same company I ordered the spoiler from. I end up getting the grill, could be the same company, but anyways, they sent me an extra roll of tape too with the spoiler, so I end up using this on the grill right now, and I'm gonna go in with some tie wraps. I'll show you guys here. So that's what it's looking like. So you could put a screw in right there. There's a little piece right there where you can put a screw in and hold it in nice and tight, but I'm just going to use some tie wrap, go in between the honeycomb at the bottom where you're not going to be able to see it, and then just tie wrap it there, tie wrap it there, throw one in the top here in the corner right there, and then I think that's it. We're going to be okay. Alright, that's just my way of doing it with the tie wraps instead of putting the screws in there right now, because I don't really have any proper screws. So, but this should tie wrap should do the trick. Alright, let's go on with this shit. In, it's looking real good. Like, yeah, fuck. It's okay. We're gonna get this car looking fucking mint. We're gonna get this car looking mint in no time. In no time. I don't know about no time, but we're gonna get the car looking mint. Alright, so yeah, we got a tie wrap right there just to keep it on there. Tie wrap at the top, tie wrap right here, actually tie wrap right there, right there. Did I do one up here? I'm gonna put one more up here, and then I'm gonna put the bumper on, and then we're gonna see what we're looking like. Alright, okay guys, we finish. Look at that, man. Thing looks really good, really good. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna start the car, give you guys a cold start, and then we'll just take it around the block right here, drive it around, come back, make sure the exhaust is good 100%, and you know, yeah, we're gonna call it a day, right? It's gonna be a wrap. That's gonna be it for the video for today. But yeah guys, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for liking the videos, sharing the videos, and thanks to my subscribers. All right, but anyways, let's keep going. Let's do a cold start on this bad boy. Show you guys what she's looking like. I know she's dirty right now, but yeah, we just want to see what our new grill is looking like from all different angles. All right, okay guys. the video right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know what it is. Thanks for watching. Any question, leave a comment down below. Peace.